Hi everyone, and welcome to the first video in our brand new series, NestJS tutorial from zero to hero. If you ever felt overwhelmed by building complex backend APIs, or if you were tired of the repetitive setup and architecture decisions that come with a new Node.js project, then this series is for you. In this complete guide, we not just be learning isolated concepts, we are going to journey together building a fully featured production-ready API from the ground up. We'll cover everything from the absolute basic all the way to advanced topics like authentication, authorization, database, setting, and deployment. By the end of this series, you will not just know NestJS, you will be confident in using it to build robust and scalable APIs. In this very first video, we are going to lay the foundation. We'll answer the big question, why? Why should you use NestJS in the first place? Then we'll get our development environment ready. Use the powerful NestJS CLI to scaffold our projects and take a first look at the structure that makes NestJS so organized and maintainable. So if you're ready to go from zero to hero, let's dive in. Before we write any code, let's start with the most important question. Why NestJS? If you are using Node.js with Express, you know it is powerful, but unstructured. You are constantly making decisions about how to organize your code, where to put your business logic, and how to handle dependencies. This leads to applications that can become messy and hard to maintain as it grows. NestJS solves this. It provides an out-of-box application architecture that is immediately scalable and maintainable. It is not a new language or concept. Under the hood, NestJS uses robust servers like Express or Fastify, but it adds a powerful layer on top, built with TypeScript and inspired by Angular. It embraces object-oriented programming, functional programming, and most importantly, dependencies injection. This means you spend less time on boilerplate and configuration and more time building your business logic. The result is code that is testable, loosely coupled, and easy for teams to collaborate on. In short, NestJS does not just give you tools, it gives you a blueprint for building enterprise-grade backend applications efficiently. Enough theory, let's roll up our application and start building. The first step is getting our development environment ready.